ครับ
เอาธรรมดาเอาเผ็ดกลางเอาเผ็ดกลาง You guys, we are getting some pad thai from the street. Seafood pad thai. He put in some seafood in there, some tofu, noodles, dried shrimp. There's our chef right there. Are you excited to eat some pad thai? And then look, they got other stuff here too. There goes in the egg. Sugar, chili, fish sauce. Oh, there's sweet lime in there already. We're at Center Point, guys. Look at that. Center Point Mall. Yeah. Oh look, this is Pat Kimao, right? I don't know. I saw chili pepper. Thought it was pad kimao. Khaiยังไงเนี่ยไส้อะไรไก่ครับไก่กุ้งครับกุ้งไก่ขายไหม60 บาทครับ You want some? Yeah, we can have some. Why not? Chicken or the shrimp? Can we mix it? You want another? Go. Looks like Kanom Jork, right? Hey. Kind of. Put it on. Huh? Oh, sorry. And then they're gonna put some sauce on there. Yes, Hey, the one, where the ball? Wow. Vừa từ lớn lâu này đâu? Đây mà. All right, guys, let's look at our food that we got. First one we got is pad thai seafood. Oh my gosh, that actually looks so much better than what we had inside. Pad thai seafood. And then dumplings or Kanom Jork, pork and shrimp. Is it good? Yep. Oh, there. It's got a kick to it too. Yeah. We got squid, we got shrimp. Lots of squid, shrimp. You can see the bean sprouts, the egg, the tofu in there. Oh my gosh, let's try this. It's definitely got a kick to it. That's good.
Better than the upstairs?
Oh yeah. It doesn't taste like your average pad thai though. Yeah. It's different. It doesn't taste like pad thai, but it's good, right?
It tastes like pad thai.